Spanish for Construction: How to Communicate with Spanish-Speaking Workers. Written by Henry O. Evans. Narrated by Robert A.K. Gagno. Section 7. Speak the worker's language. Communication with Spanish-speaking workers will empower English-speaking contractors and construction professionals to know key health and safety phrases in Spanish, help ratify basic communication issues, and assist with understanding Hispanic cultural issues. For example, knowing key words like peligro, danger, or cuidado, careful, can be the difference in saving someone's life out on the job site. Statistically, Hispanic workers have the highest amount of fatal injuries, and the construction industry has the highest percentage of occupational injuries than any other sector. Although there are apparent risks, we shall face each new challenge with diversity awareness. In order to increase on-site productivity, our American workforce will need to transition into more effective workforce training programs and provisions. Because interpreters don't always convey all details completely, it is important for every construction team member to know how to communicate when interacting with Spanish-speaking workers. For example, should all construction stop when any one designated team member must momentarily step away from a job site or construction work area? Of course, this would be counterintuitive and cause delays in the construction work process. Therefore, every team member should at least know basic English to Spanish translations. While not designed to teach Spanish as a foreign language, provided here is information for basic communication and pronunciation guidelines. Also, communication for safety and cultural differences. Section 8. Construction Terminology. A. Common Spanish terms. B. Common Spanish phrases and expressions. A. Common English, Spanish terms. Angle, ángulo. Area, área. Basement, sótano. Bathroom, baño. Bathtub, tina. Bedroom, recámara. Brick, ladrillo. Bring, llevar. Cabinet, armario. Carpenter, carpintero. This has been Spanish for Construction: How to Communicate with Spanish-Speaking Workers. Written by Henry O. Evans. Narrated by Robert A.K. Gagno. Copyright 2018 by Henry O. Evans. Production copyright 2018 by Henry O. Evans.